Elvis, what are you doing?
Hi Sia, I was playing hide and seek with my puppy Bruno.
Can I help you find him?
Thank you Sia, but I had already found him before you arrived. I think he must have been afraid of seeing you and had gone somewhere else.
Oh, sorry Elvis, I didn't mean to scare him.
It's not at all your fault. Actually, Bruno is a little shy puppy. When he sees new people, he does the same thing every time. Don't worry, I know where he must have gone. Bruno, come out. Don't be afraid. She's our friend Sia.
Hi Bruno, sorry to scare you. Can I be your friend? Hey Elvis, you have used a different kind of tense with the word had. Which kind of tense is it?
Sia, I had used the past perfect tense to explain my past action over your present action. I'll tell you in detail. When I say I had found Bruno before you arrived, means that the first action of finding Bruno happened before the other action, that is, your arrival. The past perfect tense is used to show that one action happened before another action in the past. For this, it uses the words such as before, when, and after in the beginning or anywhere in the middle of the sentence. Let us see some examples. Omar had completed the assignment before he went to school. When the police arrived, the thief had escaped. We had arrived at the cinema hall before the film started. After the exams had finished, they had a snack party. So Sia, now you know how to frame the past perfect tense?
Yes Elvis, by adding words such as before, when, and after, we can frame the past perfect tense.
Sia, you're becoming an expert in grammar. Sia, I think Bruno wants to play with us.
So why are we waiting? Let's play!
If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.